How's guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, so the market is looking quite bullish today. You did watch the earlier live stream on the app. I was speaking about the potential pump that we're getting right now. Bitcoin looking quite bullish. Um, and obviously the total 3 market cap. So this is something that I went over in the last live stream. And I was saying that once we broke above that 417 level, we can expect the altcoin start to rip. And that's exactly what we got. Actually, Pepe and Solana are still in the long position, still long on these coins. Basically, this is the current situation. I will be looking for some other setups right now, but there's nothing really happening right now. I don't want to speak about Bitcoin though. Okay, so let's speak about Bitcoin here, because what's important to note for Bitcoin is that you can see right now we are currently at the range high. Okay, so we were speaking about this earlier. Need price to actually close above this level in order for it to carry on its upside. So like if we have a look at this chart, I was expecting price to come back down to this area here. Around about 36,900, 37K. Then you can take some longs back up from there. That's what I'm looking for. But we already got a bottom wick, so I think that the retracement is already done. So if you have a look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see this is what I was looking for. Didn't actually get it, but essentially was waiting for that. I was waiting for price to come down and then take some buys at this level, but obviously it didn't really happen. Yeah. So now it's at an important, very, very important stage. So basically, you're looking at this chart now. The 30-minute candle closed bullish, the 1-hour candle closed bullish. So, but the problem is we're closing bullish at resistance. Yeah. So when you close bullish at resistance, there's a possibility of price coming down from that zone. So basically, if I want to take a long, I need to see some closures above certain zones. Okay, so for example, like, oh, there's a pump. Yeah, we're getting a pump now. So like I said, I am long on Axie, I'm long on Pepe, and I'm long on Solana. These trades were all called in the live stream earlier. We did take these trades in the earlier live stream. So I am expecting price to carry on its upside. Bitcoin looks like it's going to carry on its upside as well. Let's see, I'm looking at AVAX as well. AVAX is, because if you look at AVAX on the daily time frame, I just want to quickly run through this. So I was looking at this is a potential strategy that you guys could use. Okay, so when you're looking at the daily time frame, you obviously want to understand where are the levels that you can take buys on for the next day or so, respective of what the daily candle does, right? So if you get a bullish daily candle closure on the previous day, I mean, you're looking for longs, right? You should only really be looking for longs, depending on the daily candle, right? So if you have a bearish candle closure on the previous day, you only really want to be looking for sells. Okay, so using that in mind, you want to take the Fibonacci tool. Okay, you want to take it from the low, so from the candle open to the candle close, and this zone over here in between the 0.5 and the 0.618 is where you want to be looking for bars. Okay. So you go down to lower time frame, and you can see that this between this area over here, it's a very, very strong rejection zone, right? So logically, you should only really be looking for bars in this level. Okay, if you're taking sells at this level on a bullish daily candle closer from the previous day, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'm gonna have a look at Bitcoin here. Yeah, it looks like we're getting a rip here. I'm gonna take these bars here for ABAX. I'm gonna take these bars for ABAX and I'll run through why. But just I'm gonna take them quickly. And then I'll run through why I'm taking these bars. Okay, so we took these bars for ABAX, and let me show you exactly why we took these bars. So, like I said, on the daily time frame, we drew up that level, right? This box over here is a very, very key zone for AVAX, right? Because this is where price normally comes into, and we see a bounce, right? So because the previous 1 hour candle did close bearish, it doesn't mean anything. The daily candle is bullish. So for me to take sells on a bullish closure is not something that I would do. So the 30-minute candle, you see how we created that bottom wave, and now we're starting to flip bullish here. So this is a good indication of price to come to the upside. So I'll be looking at this to take the setup now. These trades I took earlier on the stream, and then also Axie Infinity also took longs. So I'm long pretty much on a couple coins here, and then obviously AVAX we took that setup. We took longs on a couple coins here. Let's have a look. I don't think there's much news there as well, so it's fine. We couldn't really expect Monday. Yeah, there isn't any news. We don't have to worry about news there. I would, yeah. You can see that we went through this earlier.
Hi, can you hear
the
me?
total three. The total three is what we went through.
Hi, Fran. Sorry about that. Jeez, there's a lot going on.
Basically,
Sorry.
419
how are you
was the
doing today?
level that we speak about potential rejection.
So, Fran, yeah, here at Core W, we basically,
You can see exactly.
you know, we're looking
you got a
for
rejection for this
cryptocurrency
one, right?
traders,
So if price rejection is so
but
remains,
we're also looking for partners to
but we do have a
collaborate with.
key level at
So
about
basically, what we're
420.
promoting at the moment is
So what does that mean? It basically means that
so we have partners
altcoin
that we collaborate
cap
with, in which we provide a
can
higher
carry on
rebate
outside.
to, and basically how it works is, you know, they bring users and stuff, and people, the partner uses their
So
referral
let's
link,
wait and see for
so they
that.
all
But
sign up
basically,
underneath the partner,
AVAX still
and then
long.
the partner allocates those in that sign up.
Only really looking at this, and then obviously we do have those
So
other
you get 60%,
two long positions. So
everyone we
Async
have 40%, and you keep the difference.
and Solana and Pepe still long there.
The whole community.
Bitcoin didn't really tap into our zone. We're waiting for Bitcoin to come to.
And honestly, as the numbers grow, then we can have events going
we
down
didn't
the
really
line,
get that.
in which you will be able to grow your community and
So let's wait and see. But I mean, AVAX is pretty much the only coin that we just took on the live. If this 50-minute candle closes like this, this would be very bullish, which is what we want.
Okay.
So yeah, we're still just long on those coins. Like I said, for the altcoin market cap, this is the main thing to look at, right? So because this is bullish, most of the altcoins are going to be bullish, right? So this is something that you guys need to understand, that when you're charting altcoins, you need to look at this chart as well. You need to draw up charts for this, because this is going to show you exactly how far left we can pump before we see a rejection. Okay. So I mean, that's something I'm looking at, and that's why I did take longs. I'm long. I mean, Solana, we all know that Solana's been bullish for a very, very long time. So taking longs on Solana was kind of a no-brainer. But I do want to show you something, the reason why I did take a long, and this is something that you guys can use as well. Okay. So basically, this strategy was very simple. All you need to do is go in the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Okay, I spoke about it for the AVAX trade, but essentially, you see how I've got nothing on my chart here for Solana. I've got literally nothing. All I've got is, you take the Fibonacci from the daily open to the daily close. Okay, take it from those 2 points, and between the 0.5 and 0.618 is where you want to be looking to long the market, and that's exactly where how long the market was today. Okay, you can see took a long within the zone, and you can see how it's been respecting this level, right? So, and that's something that you guys can use. I mean, it's very, very simple. There's nothing too crazy at all. Same thing with Pepe looking bullish as well. AVAX, beautiful.
The amount that you would make.
So we took the signal on the alarm.
So basically how it works is that you have one equal partner.
The thing is with AVAX is we all know that AVAX has been bullish, right? And the last couple of days, so you kind of want to follow that. And it's within that zone as well. So the 45 minutes until this candle closes. So until we actually see a closure, I mean, it's still bullish, right?
Yeah.
You do want to be taking long for AVAX. Especially when this total 3, you can see how we're tapping straight into this level now. Tapping into this zone. So I'm expecting a little more upside. We can take some profits for AVAX at this level. And if it breaks this zone, then we can hold the AVAX trade till some type of high. Yeah. So you have to be using this chart in conjunction with the other charts. It just gives you an indication of where price can potentially get stuck.
And we can look at
See as well, we had, I mean, if you're looking at trend line, had a breakout back down to this level. There's a fair value gap there, I didn't actually see it. So if you guys do trade fair value gaps, you can see from this high over here to this low over there, there's a fair value gap there. That would have been a beautiful entry. That would have been a very, very good entry.
And then yeah.
But overall, this 15 close is very strong.
Let me know.
A 30-minute closure like this would be very good as well.
Thanks so much.
So that is something that I will be obviously waiting for. A nice 30-minute candle closure would be amazing for the setup. And then Axie is looking good. Pepe and Solana look good. These trades I will be holding the whole day unless I see a reverse on the total 3. But as long as the total 3 is bullish, I remain bullish. Yeah. So let's see how this plays out. Works. Let's see how this plays out. What is this on? It's on the 1 hour. Let's see how this plays out. I want to show you look at this on Bitcoin. The Bitcoin's actually trying to break out of that level. I mean, it's not really valid because there's no 3 touches. But if it gets rejected here, well then, yeah. We obviously need to see a closure above this level. Even a 30-minute closure would be good, to be honest. 15 minutes, fake out. But I was waiting for Bitcoin to come down to 36 down 50, so we didn't really get that. We need this AVAX to flip. Once we get a flip, then it's valid. And this is the most important chart to look at. Yeah, yeah. AVAX, once this flips bullish, we should see a push. Because this is going to be the 30-minute flip as well. Bottom wick flip is the best, one of the best strategies. But do you guys understand how to actually to take these trades based on the daily time frame? Because this trade was based on the daily time frame, right? It was based on. I will run through it again. Let's run through it again and show you exactly how to take the setup. You go down to the daily time frame. Okay, you zoom in. You zoom in. Okay, so just forget about this candle here, this red candle on the right. You need to look at the previous day, right? So the previous day is showing is that from here to here. Okay, take the Fibonacci from low to the high, and then you extend that to the right, right? You extend that to the right. Whenever price touches this level here, between the 0.5 and the 0.618 level, this is where you want to be putting longs. Only if the previous day was bullish, right? If the previous day was bearish, then you want to be taking shorts in the zone, right? Yeah, because now if you zoom in, this zone is the reaction zone, right? I mean, it's very obvious. We have this here, all within this zone, here, okay? So you guys must try this out. You can do it on a lot of different coins. I mean, you can do it on any coin. But the thing is with this, you need to make sure that it's valid. Like for example, I'll show you with the Solana one. Yeah, so Solana, same thing, right? This is why we took this trade for Solana today, because of the fact that we have this level here. You take it from low to high, extend across. Okay. Then you go down to the smaller time frames and see once we tapped into the zone, look at the zone, right? It's a reaction zone. Same thing with over here. We got bars throughout the whole day at the zone. And this is where you want to be taking profits. So using this can definitely help you identify potential areas to buy, right? You can use this on any single chart. It works with anything. Same thing with Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin zone we're looking at here. That's why I was looking at a long in the zone, but we didn't get that right. We didn't get that long because it didn't tap into the zone. But we'll see. Yeah. And the same thing with Pepe. Same thing, yeah. The thing is, most of the time, when you get a daily closure, you normally see 50% of that daily candle get retraced within the next day and then move in the desired direction, right? Okay, I hope that makes sense. And like I said, there isn't any news today, so there isn't any news. Tomorrow we have FMC meeting tomorrow. Wednesday we have also a bit of news. Thursday, bank holiday on Thursday, and then Friday. Uh, Not much. This week's actually very mild with news. So we're seeing a rejection from the 419. Like I said, this level here. The strong level. Very strong level here. But overall, it doesn't make me bearish in the day. It just, because if you look at the 4 hour, like the 4 hour time frame, should do that. The 4 hour time frame is very bullish, right? We're closing above previous highs here. 36 minutes until this next 4 hour candle closes. And there's nothing really bearish about this. But that's why I don't really want to look for shorts today until the total 3 somehow comes back down and closes below here. But until then, I'm just gonna be looking at longs all day. And this trade I took in the live stream and the live video. So this was just a breakout trade, breakout retest, move up the highs. Also this level here around about 6.328. I still think that this has a lot more legs with it. Still move up. So that's why I'm still holding this trade. I want to see how this 30-minute closes. This 30-minute candle is going to be very important. 30-minute candle is going to be very, very important. The reason why it's going to be important because, especially for AVAX, there's like a critical zone at this level. That's 22.4 level, 22.45 zone, a very strong level. So obviously the 1 hour closure would be better, but once we see a 30-minute, we can start to reassess and see how it closes. But yeah, for example, like 419.
Hello. How's it going?
Do I need to get on?
So my screen did freeze there.
Oh.
I don't know.
You know what?
Yeah.
I'm ready to.
That's what I.
No, we haven't. So many complaints. We all get complaints. How's it going?